Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again on iPhone, iPad, iOS 17 full tutorial. So if you're having issue onto your TikTok account when you are unable to authorize and you cannot log in, here are some step-by-step guide that you could try out or some basic troubleshooting steps that may help you out so that you could log in onto your account. Now, to fix this, the first thing that you could go ahead and try is to head onto the settings of your device. Once you're already onto the settings, you'll just have to scroll down until you find in General. Here on General, you should be able to see iPhone storage. Scroll down until you find in TikTok in there. So there are two options that you could choose. So the first thing that you could do is try to offload the app first. Click on offload again, and then this will delete the app but keep its document and data. So once you do this, you could try again on logging in onto your account and try to see if that one would work. So if the issue still persists, you could continue to delete the app for that. So just click delete app again, and then right after, once that one is done, just reinstall the app onto the App Store. So right after, just go ahead and check again if that one would work. If those steps didn't work, there is still another thing that you could check out onto your settings that might be the reason of the error. So just go ahead and head back again here onto the settings. And then right after, we need to check if you have the latest version or you have the latest version of your device. So as you can see here onto the upper part, I have the option to update my iOS to 18.1. So there might be some issues like this persist if you don't have the latest iOS version. So you could go ahead and try to update your app for this. And if the issue is still not solved right after following all of those steps, then the last thing that you could do is to go ahead and contact TikTok support. So you could simply search that onto your browser, TikTok support, and then you could type in the reason or the error message that says TikTok unable to authorize, and you could also provide a screenshot for that. So you could try out those steps to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again on iPhone or iPad. If you think that this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.